So here we are. This used to be our first year chemistry laboratory, and then this is the main building. There are the notice boards for different clubs: Computer Society of India, then Literary and Debating Club, NSS, Students Parliament. What is this?
Industrial planning for IPF.
Okay. And this is going to be environment. And this is our famous triangular board where students can place their opinions and other stuff. Fine. So there we are. This used to be our first year class. I'm going there. It's locked now, but this used to be our first year class. It's open. It's locked. Physics lab. That is the Center for Value Education. Fine, there are people coming down here. So, now we stop. This is the basketball court. And down there is a football ground and other stuff. And there we have the OAT. You can see the wall behind. That's actually an open air theatre. We are not going that way anyway. And this is the main block. That's the lecture complex.
This is the Rajpath.
Yeah, this is the
And that is
Rajpath.
the Rajpath.
This is the Rajpath. The main, the approach road to our college.
In-out view.
And there is Shaheen walking towards us. There is Shaheen. And with him there is Shankar. Yes. This is the lecture complex. There are 3-4 seminar halls inside.
There's Mondeep and Abhijit going. There's a motorbike going there, and Mondeep and Abhijit are sitting there. Here, Abhijit wants a zoom, and there he is, and Mondeep along with them, having a good time in front of the AB. Yes, there's the administrative block. In the background, there you can see. Here I am now moving into the administrative block. There's Mondeep and Abhijit in the backdrop. There is our AB.
That's the national flag in front of the AB. So we are going into the AB now. Hello sir.
Hi.
How are you sir?
Fine.
Yeah. So you are registered working in his office now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Thank you sir. Yes sir?
So you have completed your complete.
Yes sir. We are about to leave now. Sir. Thank you sir. Good morning sir. How are you sir?
Fine.
Yes, sir. Sir is working. You won't take much of his time. Thank you sir. So here this is the administrative block. You can see an aquarium out there. That's the aquarium. There are a lot of fishes inside there. As you can see, there is a fish. Fishes. We are going towards approaching the director's room. What is that? Oh. This is the director's room. As you can see, that is the room to his office. And this is his PS room. This is the director's office. So, this is what our college says, National Institute of Technology, and this is our mission to develop high quality technical education and personnel with sound footing on basic engineering principles and technical managerial skills, and so on, as you can see it for yourself. Okay, so here we go now.
And so finally, Mondeep and Abhijit, along with me, are coming out from the AB, and see they're going out. And here I am. So this is the way to the canteen, and they are moving to the canteen. They are Mondeep and Abhijit, and in the backdrop there is the canteen. So that's me saying.
Flag.
It's okay.
Flag ले लिया.
So we are going towards the canteen. This is in fact a kacha way to the canteen, not the proper way. And there we have Rahul and Abhijit coming before the camera. Okay. So this is our canteen, REC canteen, NIT canteen. And there we have some people of our classmates standing there. Sony is there. Hi, say Sony. Hello, say hello. And Borkar. And the other two guys. You know them already. Yeah. He's selling stuff. Chera, free में देगा कुछ? कुछ free में देगा? हाँ, free मिलेगा. कुछ दो यार. मैं shooting कर रहा हूँ. अरे hello, say hello. Hello Cole. अरे. इसको दो लगा. हाँ वो दिख ही नहीं रहा है. अरे चेटा है. कुछ free में दो. Say hello चेटा. Hello. Okay. This is the canteen. हाँ भीम के साथ इससे जा जाओ. Hello चेटा. Hello, हाँ.
This is Beam.
हाँ, this is Beam. Yeah. There is Rahul. He's about to order something to have food, but you're not having any food. Have some food. Hello, Cheta. Cheta, chai pilao. Cheta, one chai. One chai. There, as you can see, is the NIT Gymkhana. There's a gymnasium of our college. Far out there. And now we are going to the main road. This is the approach road to our college. As you can see, we approach this way, we go this way, and then that is the ATM, SBI ATM, that one out there. Yeah, and that is the college signboard, National Institute of Technology. ले ले यहाँ से. NITC, can you see that? And this is the way to the LH, ladies hostel. This is the way to the other side of our college. We see someone approaching. Yeah, okay. There we go. And here we are at the NITC gate. We see Abhijit and Rahul standing in front of the gate. He's going somewhere. Abhijit there, he's inside that compound now.
Zoom in.
Yeah, I'm zooming in. Yeah, fine. And that is a skating ring, as you can see. And we are going there. Beyond there it is the tennis court. We see someone watering the courts to make it better. Aja. And this is the lawn tennis court, and this is the skating ring. There we have. Huh?
Juice stand will take. So there you have Mondeep and Abhijit going towards the football ground. There you have two F-dash guys coming there towards the bike. But Mondeep and Abhijit are on the threshold of our football ground here. This is where all the major monsoon cup and all those other events take place. So they are waving to you there. There is a mobile tower which gives us a mobile connection that connects all of us at REC. And that is, there you have the hockey ground in the backdrop, and this is our famed football ground here.
Monsoon and Willow Cups are played here.
All the Willow Cup and Monsoon Cup take place here.
And see, that is our OIT.
Joseph.
That's the OIT where all the programs are held. Ragam, everything. We had a lot of enjoyment over there. People is going to a basketball court, and that's the stage.
I always practice in the basketball court in the evening.
Yeah, you always practice. You always practice. Arey, Mondeep is running. They are jogging or running. I don't know what he is doing. Both. Hi, Rahul. Rahul, smile once. It's a hilly area.
So that's the hill.
Surrounding all of REC.
Yeah.
And that's the tower, BSNL tower. AB.
There we have Devraj is running towards us. Yes, and it jumped over and it's coming out here. Yeah, that's Devraj. Where are you looking, Devraj? Come. Hey. Too much zoom. Currently practicing virtual basketball. This is a new game and you can see the ball, and that's the goal. Yes. Yeah, one. Rahul, what are you doing? Come on, you should also show them. Yep. This is the project group. That is Nitin Kurianjan. Nitin, say hi. Hi. And there is Kumar Gauravarya out there. Santosh Haryana, also known as Hathi. And Ramesh. And me. This is me. मैं आ रहा हूँ कि नहीं? आ रहा हूँ ना? छोड़ना. And this is me. This is Monday. Bye bye. Come on, sir. Our project guide. Hello, sir. Okay. Thank you. That person. So here we entered a mess. Yeah, hostel mess. There is Turk serving food and Pomodoro Maria. What is it eating? Dal. Vijay Sharma ji. Vijay Sharma ji. Mess over. And there is Animesh. Arey, Sid. Hello. And here is Cheda preparing chapati. Yes. Yes. Hello, Cheda. आगे आगे ले लिया. This is C hostel, and here is F hostel. This is the it's outside the F hostel that I'm standing now. So we go down towards D hostel now. There's someone walking in the road. So we enter D hostel now. Here we enter this room.
Are you telling me this
And then Anup Kumar Bhaiya.
this son of a pig?
What are you doing? They're watching a movie.
Yes. Mummy, the mummy. The mummy.
The Mummy. That's the movie.
बहुत सारा है.
20, 30,
Zoom.
55. Deal.
और here उनका zoom है.
So we are inside Rahul's room. So Rahul, introduce us to your room.
This is my room. Please come in.
These are his books.
These are my books here.
Yes.
All ESP, Sonics, control system, everything.
Yeah. Pearl 5 is also there.
Yeah, Pearl 5 is also there. And here is God, and here is Schumacher, and here is the Indian hockey team, and here is
Is Shoemaker another god?
yeah, sort of.
So here we have some people walking in the D hostel corridor. There is Rupesh also. Are Anup Bhaiya, hello. Yes. So guys, hello.
ये आपका DJ room है.
भाव.
बकार room.
Hello भाव. भाव. अच्छा ना. घर में नहीं खाना है. Finally, I'm coming back towards my hostel. As you can see, that is E hostel far away. That's the E hostel. That's my hostel. And then on the left hand side, as I take you to the MC, can you see there's a mini canteen that remains open till 2 o'clock in the night. So you can come and have our snacks in the night. Hello. Hello, bol. The basketball court, volleyball court in front of E hostel. And now we'll be going to Katangal. So meet you shortly, just few seconds. And there we see Arnab Dekha and Manjima walking. Okay. चले जा रहे हैं लोग.
क्या चीटा नाम है? आओ.
हाँ बोल.
Lambu Cheta. Video. This is Lambu Cheta.
Yeah.
From here we buy all our cigarettes.
Okay. Say hello.
ठीक है.
हाँ ठीक है. अच्छा है.
चलो नीचे.
एक सेकंड रुक.
किसका लेगा?
Fine. So we are taking, as you can see, Katangal.
लावण्य चलते लावण्य.
In just wait. There is Cheta. Lazy Cheta. Take Katangal school.
Now we take you to our very famous shake shop where we have all our shakes. Oops, it seems to be closed. But this is the shake shop from where we have all our shakes. Wait. थोड़ा सा खुला हुआ है छोड़. And there. Melody Cassets.
Chejila. Melody Cassettes. This is from where we buy all our movies. X-rated stuff included.
So finally I'm back at E-Hostel. This movie is coming to an end. As you can see, this is E-Hostel. This is the road entrance, there's a staircase. Hello Cheda. Cheda is working. He gives the mess certificates so that we can join the mess. Okay Cheda, bye. DJ mixing table.